Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Boxo USA Adventure Motorcycle Tool Kit. The 40-piece adventure motorcycle tool kit Boxo USA designed with the adventure bike and dual sport markets in mind to work with most brands including Triumph, BMW, KTM, Yamaha, and Honda. The tools selected were hand-picked by hardcore enthusiasts to tackle most repairs. Number 2. Powerbuilt 100-piece motorcycle toolkit. The included roll pouch is designed to hold this large 101-piece assortment, allowing you to easily locate the right tool for the job quickly and keep all pieces organized. Includes premium quality tools such as long pattern combination wrenches and a 72-tooth sealed head 3/8 Dr. ratchet. Number 3. CruzTOOLS RTH3 RoadTech H3 Toolkit. A complete travel tool kit solution for Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Number 4. CruzTOOLS RTKT1 RoadTech KT1 Toolkit. Item package dimension 9.88 L x 3.97 W x 3.22 H inches. Item package weight 3.30 pounds. Item package quantity 1. Number 5. Compact Motorcycles Repair Tool Kit Compatible. This compact tool kit comes in a heavy-duty nylon tool wrap which is small in size and light in weight, very convenient to carry and under-seat storage. Packaged to handle over 95% of roadside and garage repairs. His ultra-compact motorcycle toolkit for HDs and HD hybrids designed specifically for compatible with Harley-Davidson motorcycles. This basic tool's compact perfect for road trips.